Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to be working on a rigid Sawzall. Got a problem with the cord. It's broken in here, so as you turn it on, I wiggle the cord, it'll shut off. So it's a pretty easy fix. We just need to disassemble this and just replace the cord. So we're just going to cut this off and we're going to bring it up inside the machine itself. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you need to do is unplug it. And we're going to need to remove the handle. So let's do that. Pay attention to the screws. The ones that are shorter go on this side of the handle. So kind of keep that in mind as you're doing this. Alright, now let's see if we can pull this off. Alright, and it's going to reveal the switch and the cord and how it's fastened. So what we're going to do first is we're going to remove this cord end. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to need to remove these wires from the switch, and I've dealt with these switches once before, so let's see if I can get it on this little camera here. And what you're going to need to do is there's a little tab that you're going to push on in like that, and you should be able to pull that wire right out of there, just like that. Do the same thing to the other side, just pushing on there, and there we go. Alright, so let's get that out of the way for right now and concentrate on the cord itself. Now it's broken right in here, and you can actually see that's kind of bubbled up there, so who knows why it happened, just being used. So we're going to pull that out of there like that, put that off to the side, and we're going to cut that back right about here. And let's see, I'm going to try to get the same amount of wire that they had right there. So go ahead and very carefully take the insulation off. Alright, now once we have it looking a lot like we just took out, we need to strip the ends off. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's see, get the insulation off there. We want about the same that they have there. I want to say about 1/4 of an inch. Alright, now if you noticed when we took that off, that those ones there were tinned on the end. They were a little bit of solder. See what they have here. So we're going to do the same thing. The reason for that is when we plug it back into the switch, where this is stranded, it will not be able to go into the switch very well. This here kind of stiffens it up, turns it almost into a solid piece of wire. So let's go ahead and do that. That should do it. Let's check out the factory and check out mine. Mine's not as neat, but should work. Alright, next we need to go ahead and put that insulation back on there, the cord in. So go ahead and slide that in through. Like that. Bring our Sawzall back over. Alright, now we should be able to just push those in. And the white was on the top. So let's go ahead, push that in there like that. Do the same thing here. There we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and put it back together. Now these wires, there's some little slots for these wires to go in, so you have to make sure that they go in there. Just like that. Go ahead and put the screw that holds the switch on. Double check all your wires, make sure nothing's going to get pinched. When you put the cover back on, everything looks good. So let's go ahead and put it back together. Remember, these shorter ones went in the handle, this part of the handle. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out. Plug it in. Nothing to it. So all you need is a soldering iron, some wire strippers, just a few hand tools, and you're all set. So thank you for watching, and that's how you repair the cord on a rigid Sawzall. Thanks a lot for watching.